It's all very exciting stuff. More solar panels going in. So we're getting these boxes on the floor, hopefully get them sort of level. Not too worried. We're going to try and separate. It would be nice to sort of just continue the solar panels along with the frame rail, but it's too much like hard work. So we're just going to set these two boxes down, get it all leveled. We've done a little bit of groundwork. I've got another post to whack in that we can secure these boxes to. And then it's just fill them up with ballast, get the rails on, and then panels on. It sounds easy if you say it quickly. Anyway, I'll stick a time lapse on when we get going, and we'll see how far we get this morning. It's I ain't got my watch on me. Was it about 10 o'clock? Quarter past 10, so we'll see what we can get done before lunchtime. Let's crack on. It's not hot, but in that sun it is, oh dearie me. I know I've got a fleece on, but I've got sweating. If I take it off, I'll get cold. That's the boxes in place, all leveled out as best as we can. We've got the top rail on. The top rail, it's slightly not in line with this one, but we're leaving a gap, so we're not too worried about the panels not lining up with these ones. It's just with the ground. If we had a nice flat bit of ground here, it'd be lovely. We just set the boxes down, they'd all be level, but we don't live in an ideal world, do we? So yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of a break now, gonna have some lunch, and then we're gonna fill these boxes up with ballast. And we've got some rocks in the woods. So we've got rocks and we've got some chalk over out in front of the garage, which you might have seen me moving that pile about a couple of times. But yeah, it's going a lot quicker this second lot than the first lot did. So we'll be back with you after lunch. So we're up in the woods, we've just got a load of rocks. Now all these rocks on the woods would have been over the years taken out of the field and put on the edge of the woods. You'll find that's quite common in France. If you've got property, you'll find if you've got like an edge of a field or something, all the rocks would have been put there for when they was working the land. They don't want to keep hitting the rocks with machinery. So we've got a big pile of rocks here and we're going to go and put them in those boxes. So we'll see you back at the boxes. So we've been up in the woods, so we've got the stones in the boxes. We're just putting some gravel chalk stuff in there now. So I'll set a time lapse up. Hobbit's going to try and get the tractor and trailer as close as possible, and I'll like it out with a shovel.
I'll let you get round there and you can tell me when.
Yeah. It's getting warm, and we've got an infestation of ladybirds. We had them yesterday, and gnats. Absolute bloody nightmare. But yeah, let's carry on. that's it for today's efforts. Both boxes are filled up, ballasted up, they're all level, the rails are on, ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's little job is bolting the 4 panels on and then wiring it up. We've got to do a little bit of groundwork, dig up the old cable, move it somewhere near the middle so that we can stretch the cables either way. I'll bring you along for that tomorrow. It'll be in the same video, so yeah. Worn out now. Hopefully we can both still function in the morning. Right, see you in the morning.
See you later.
That you done for today?
Oh yeah.
Right. Don't forget you're cooking dinner. All right. Nice one. That job done. With 3,100 coming in now, whereas yesterday that would have been sort of 1,800. It is quite hazy today, so we're not going to get the full potential of those panels. Battery's at 81%, and in true Ben's Garage fashion, something else has put a spanner in the works. Our water heater has blown up. That's where we was dumping a lot of the excess solar into the water heater. So until we can replace that, at least it'll get the batteries up, topped up probably before lunchtime. So that's a bloody good job done. I say that the Hobbit's got chemo on Friday, so we wanted to get it done before then. But yeah, a couple of days work and it's all sorted. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.